Okay, I am at the farmer's market spot. I'm driving the truck for the first time, and I'm gonna go find my number 30 spot where I'll be selling at the farmer's market. The official start is Saturday, April 1st, but people have been starting on Wednesdays, and so I might set up on Wednesday. 32, 38, 36. This is going to be my first farmer's market ever. I'm like right in the middle, people. Right in the middle. Ah, number 30. And the main people are going to be right here. Well, the people who have been here year after year. And then Seven Oaks is on the end. How exciting is that? Right in the middle. Yay! It's a feel your fears and do it anyways. Crazy. It's a feel your fear and do it anyways, because I've never sold at a farmer's market, not sure what to expect, and I'm driving this huge truck. I've driven trucks before, but this one is huge. And I stopped at the big box store to get a tablecloth and some more soil mix to up pot. And I scored these vegetable boxes, and that's so that when people buy plants, they can put them in there. We'll send people home with plants. And that's the mindset of abundance, right? Gotta believe it.